Madrid. We just switched to a different hotel, so we went from Intercontinental Hotel to Hotel Indigo. And yeah, it's a pretty nice hotel. Looks like a little comfortable, cozy little spot. Got this restroom here. Kind of cool, clean. Bed looks nice and comfy. Got modern decor. Looks really cute, posh. So we could have got the city view, but you know, I had to wait like another hour for check-in, so I said it's okay. So we are in a room, but overall, not bad. Alright guys, we are here in Madrid near the Central Palace, and it's a cold day out today, and I decided to go look for some pho because it's nice and chilly and I wanted something warm and brothy. So I found this awesome Vietnamese spot. It's called S01 and legit pho food there. I'm going to take an outside tour of the Royal Palace here by the Plaza de Oriente. And here you can find the statue of Philip IV of Spain. And yeah, if you're looking for something to do for free around Madrid, and the lines to get to the palace are quite long. So, if you're trying to skip that, you can just walk around the Plaza de Oriente here, marvel at the statue that's facing the Royal Palace. It's a wonderful view. Winter is officially starting out here in Madrid. It's getting kind of cold, but I'm really loving the festive environments and stuff like that out here on the streets. Even though I'm traveling this winter holiday season, I do kind of miss home a little bit. But, it's all part of solo traveling, and we're just gonna keep continuing and try to make the best of it here. I think I've wandered into the Times Square or the Beverly Hills of Madrid, because this place is freaking crazy packed out. I'll show you guys here in a minute. This is one of the walk streets here. I've been down about 4 or 5 of these blocks already, but look at this street right here, man. So many people out and about. It's crazy. It's insane, guys. Look at this. Foot Locker here. There's McDonald's, Taco Bell, and everything around here too. It's crazy. Let's bring this up. McDonald's. We're gonna do McDonald's today, guys. Guys, I'm doing what every tourist does. Stopping by McDonald's in every country. So we're stopping by McDonald's in Spain. First burger thing I've seen here is something called the extreme bacon something. It looks really good, so I'm gonna try that out right now. So there is some kind of yellow chili sauce thing in there. I don't know what it looks like. It's a Thousand Island special sauce. So I'm gonna try it. Oop. A little bit of bacon on the bottom here. Bacon. Yeah, definitely do it. Oh. bet it's really flavorful. Kind of almost tastes like I would say quarter pounder, but yeah, really light, not too bad. I like it. So far so good. Oh look, they've even got boba here. What is that, bro? Sushi Akihabara. This is a maid cafe. Oh, involving sushi. It's cool. It's getting late into the night. I think I'm gonna head back to the hotel right now. It's gonna go breezy, chilly, cold. Not bad. Remember to like and subscribe. You know, it brings help me boost some ratings. What else? And then, what do you do after you finish eating? You go to a sex shop. There's a fucking sex shop. This rock. Amazing. That's going to be it for this episode. Can you guys join me in the next one?